How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Now children, today we will learn English class for LKG. Yes children, English for LKG. Now children, before this class we learn parts of a bird. Yes children, parts of a bird. Yes children, see children, bird. This is bird children, okay? And this is beak, B-E-A-K, beak. And this is eye, E-Y-E, eye. And this is head children, H-E-A-D, head, okay? And this is wings children, W-I-N-G-S, wings. See children, beak, B-E-A-K, beak, E-Y-E-I, H-E-A-D, head, W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay. Next children, this is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. See children, legs.
एक मिनट.
E. Okay children, see bird. Parts of a bird children. See children, parts of a bird. This is beak, B-E-A-K, beak. Eye, E-Y-E-I. Yes children, this is head, H-E-A-D, head. Okay children, this is wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. And this is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Legs, L-E-G-S, legs. And this is feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. See children. Okay, parts of a bird. Yes, parts of birds. Eye. See children, bird eye. This is bird eye, E-Y-E-I. This is beak, B-E-A-K, beak. Yes, this is a bird head, H-E-A-D, head. And wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. And this is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. And legs children, see, L-E-G-S, legs. And this is feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. See children, this is bird, see? Yes children. See children, this is beak, B-E-A-K, beak. And this is eye, E-Y-E-I. And this is wing, W-I-N-G-S, wings. And this is tail. See children, T-A-I-L, tail. Okay. And this is feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. And this is legs. See children, L-E-G-S, legs. Beak, eyes, head, H-E-A-D, head, tail, feathers, legs. Okay children, see children, one more bird. See children, yes, this is a beak, B-E-A-K, beak. And this is I, E-Y-E-I. And this is head, H-E-A-D, head. This is wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. And this is feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. And this is leg, L-E-G-S, legs. And last is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. See children? Yes children, see here. Parts of a bird. I, repeat children, E-Y-E-I. Beak, B-E-A-K, beak. B-E-A-K, beak. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings. And tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Legs, L-E-G-S, legs. And feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Yes children, understood children? Now children, English class, everyone take out your English workbook children. Yes. See here, page number 10. Use crayons to trace the capital letters. Yes children, these capital letter we color children, crayons. See, take out your crayon pencils and do crayon trace children. Everyone trace page number 10. O. Trace children, O. Use crayon to trace the capital letters. O children, see children. Next, P. Other color. P. And next, Q. Use crayons children, page number 10. Q. Yes, like this children. See, workbook page number 10. Use crayons to trace the capital letters. Use children. Now do children. Yes. Q R. Next S. Yes. Next T. Next U. Yes, U. Next V. Okay. Next W. X. And last is Y. Y. And last Z. Z for zebra. See children, completed children. Use crayon to trace the capital letters. See children, like this. Everyone should do children now. Yes children, see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, capital letters in your workbook is finished, children. Up to A to Z. Yes, children. Now, children, already we learned capital letters A to Z. Finish, children. Isn't it? Now, children, we learn small letters. Yes, we learn small letters. See, children, what is the difference of small letters and big letters? See, children, here, my picture book of alphabets, A, small a, sorry, big A, small a. Okay, children? And big B, small b. Small c, big C, small c. Big D, small d. Big E, small e. Big F, small f. Small g, big G, small g. Big H, small h. Big I, small I. Yes, children. Big J, small j. Big K, small k. Big L, small l. Big M, small m. Big N, small n. Big O, small o. Big P, small p. Big Q, small q. Big R, small r. Big S, small s. Big T, small t. Big U, small u. Okay, children? Big V, small v. Big W, small w. Big X, small x. Okay, children? Now, last, big Z and small z. Yes, children? Yes. Now, children, tell the pictures names. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hug. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kittens. L for leopard. M for mango. N for noodles. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. And W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree and X for xylophone. Okay, children? X for xylophone. Y for yak. And last is Z for zebra. Yes, children? Now, everyone take out your English classwork book, children. 4-rule book. Yes, children. Everyone take out your English classwork book. I will show children how to write small letters. Okay, children? You have 4-rule book, children. Now take out Yes. Now children, today we learn small letters. Yes. A, B, C, D. Yes children. Small letters. Small letters children. A, B, C and last D. Yes children. Today we learn small letters A, B, C, D. See children, you write small letters in two middle lines children. Like this only. See A. A. Yes children. Write neatly. Next B. B. C. C. D. Yes children. Write two middle lines children. Small letters A, B, C, D. A. Small A. Small B. Small C. क्या करें? पॉज करिए. क्या करें? चल रहा. Yes children, write neatly. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Yes children. And children, trace children. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Yes children. Write neatly in your class workbook children now. Yes children. Trace the letter children on your book children. Okay. Trace the letters. Yes children. A, B,